the beneficial general intelligence, interviewing people about the intersection of AGI and longevity. So can you tell the Rejuve.ai community who you are?
Yes, I am José Cordeiro. I am director of the Millennium Project and vice chairman of Humanity Plus, that used to be the World Transhumanist Association. And I am the author of this global bestseller in 12 languages, 6 editions, which is The Death of Death.
Awesome. And so I know that you're, obviously as a transhumanist and AGI enthusiast, how do you see the application of AGI? What's the first impact that it's going to have on longevity science?
Well, artificial intelligence is advancing exponentially, and it is helping in biology and in medicine. For example, Google's DeepMind developed a software called AlphaFold that was able to fold proteins. To figure out the shape of the proteins and how to create proteins. This would have taken centuries for humans, but artificial intelligence did it very quickly. Now we are identifying new drugs, new therapies, thanks to artificial intelligence, and we are correlating the genome with diseases and also physical traits. And all of this is thanks to artificial intelligence, and more will come with artificial general intelligence.
Awesome. And so how do you think that will kind of first meet people who maybe not be as knowledgeable about the science and technology of it? Do you think it'll be kind of a gene reprogramming or a pill that you take? What is your prediction on that?
Well, people don't need to understand this. We don't understand a lot about electricity, but everybody has electricity. Well, the same with artificial intelligence, and the same with longevity. So how we will deliver these for us to become immortal? People are thinking about pills or injections. So it would probably be one of those two. And we hope this to be by the year 2045. As my friend and mentor, Ray Kurzweil, who is the one who popularized the idea of the singularity, he says it should be a pill or an injection by the year 2045. So we are very close to rejuvenation technologies, because that is the goal, rejuvenation. It doesn't matter how old you are by the year 2045, because we will be able to make you younger.
So you think that even physiologically and physically, that if you're let's say, you're 65 when we hit this longevity escape velocity, that you'll be able to sort of reverse that to look like you're 30 again?
Yes, of course. This is what the Nobel Prize in Medicine, Shinya Yamanaka, in the year 2012, he discovered that there are some genes that control aging, and that we can reverse those genes to be at a young state. So indeed, in fact, by the year 2045, I plan to be younger than today. And I want to watch this video from the year 2024 in the year 2045, because at that time in the future, I will be biologically younger than today. And I will remember the time when we were old.
That's amazing. And so if you could just pick one key takeaway from your book, what would you say?
Well, we live in incredible times. This is the best time to be alive and to remain alive, because two things will happen in the future. By 2030, we hope to reach longevity escape velocity, which means that we will gain 1 year per year we survive. And with artificial intelligence, we will keep on developing better and better rejuvenation technologies. And at the latest, by 2045, we will have these rejuvenation technologies for everybody who wants them for free. This will be part of Social Security. It will be free, like the COVID vaccine. The COVID vaccine, of course, it cost billions and billions of dollars, but for the consumers, for the patients, it was free. The same with rejuvenation therapies. And I'm really excited, because in the next 2 decades, we are going to see more technological advances than in the last 2 millennia. I repeat, in the next 20 years, more advances than in the last 2,000 years. So this is fantastic. And we are between the last mortal generation and the first immortal generation. So where do you want to be?
I'm definitely interested in living as long as possible to get as most out of the human experience as possibly can. So you don't think that we'll have to kind of put on cybernetic parts or anything? You think we'll be able to just, stay in this body?
Well, actually, I think we are going to be immortal not once, but twice. Because by the year 2045, we will be able to be our hardware, our biology, to be immortal, immortally young, not immortally old. And also our software, our computational capabilities, our brain, we will be able to upload it into different substrates, into cyborg bodies or robotic bodies if you want. So yes, we will be immortally twice. Hardware immortal and software immortal. This is fantastic. So we will be able to do many things and then communicate among our different selves and find out what each one of us did and do more, better, faster things and staying young forever.
Awesome. And you're also an advisor of our sister company, Rejuve Biotech, is that right?
Yes, I'm very excited about Rejuve AI, Rejuve Bio. This is real. We are learning from other species like flies, like the Drosophila melanogaster, but also from C. elegans and from mice. We have mice also that live like 200 human years equivalent. And mice are also important because they are mammals like us. Flies are not mammals, even though it is incredible. They live like 400% more. So that is like equivalent of 400 human years. So that is fantastic. But mice are also quite interesting, and other animals, eventually chimpanzees, because chimpanzees are very close to humans. We are 99% monkey. And if monkeys can live longer, we will be living longer. And this is happening now. Science is advancing exponentially. This is fantastic. The future is incredible.
Yeah, it's definitely an exciting future ahead, and yeah, we got some super longevity enthusiasts joining us, and what a place to be than talking about making an artificial general intelligence beneficial to all of us, starting with making our lives longer.
Yes. So we are going to be living longer, we will be more intelligent, and we will be happier. We are moving from the world of scarcity into the new world of abundance. We produce more and more with less and less, and this continues. So the future is fantastic. You have to tell like your partners, your love partners, I love you so much more than yesterday, but less than tomorrow. And this is the future. The future is getting better and better and better.